Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And so, yeah, this video appeared on TikTok, which is absolutely crazy because it is an unboxing of the Pixel 6a. Now, there are some back and forth that I see regarding this clip, but I will tell you guys right now, it is the Pixel 6a. And there are several key things you got to look at when you're looking at this phone. Obviously, in the unboxing, one of the things that really kind of stood out to me is just about how much thicker this phone is. It almost looks like it's like a boxed rectangle, kind of like adapting, or not adapting, but adopting the iPhone 13's design language with a more rectangular, boxy feel. And I think that's what they did with the Pixel 6a. It could be wrong. It does look a little roundish, but it just if it is, it's thicker. If it's not, it's boxed. So that's one of the things that I looked at when the phone came out of the box, when the person was peeling off, before they peeled off the screen protector on it. Another thing that kind of really points out that this is the 6a, in fact, is that if you look at the camera sensors, right? So I have a Google Pixel 6, okay? I'll make the sky reflect off the camera bar so you guys can see. There is no like pill-shaped border around both of the camera sensors. The camera sensors on the Pixel 6 are spaced at this width. So take a look at that and then look at the video again and you will see there is a border, a pill-shaped circle border around both of the camera sensors that's on there, which if you see in photos released by Google of the Pixel 6a, you'll notice that those are together, right? In that pill circle border around both of those sensors. So that is the other dead giveaway. Now, again, we still don't really get an idea of how the body is. If the back of the Pixel 6a is just a glossy, reflective plastic, or if it is in fact glass, we don't know. There are people who speculate it's glass because of the way it looks. It looks very similar to what the Pixel 6 is, and the Pixel 6 is glass, so is the 6 Pro. But that's it. But that's a given, and that's to say. And what do you guys think about all this leaked stuff? Speaking of leaked stuff, basically, shout out to the homie Technoid, but he dropped the shorts where he stated in his shorts video that a customer bought a Pixel 6 Pro and ended up receiving a Pixel 7 Pro and was able to confirm that to people who were questioning it by letting them know what the phone's code name was and showing that, and of course, Android 13. But you can also tell just by looking at it, it's way off from any of the 6 Pros we have. So yeah, it was a 7 Pro. And, he was kind of laughing about the people at Google making this mistake. But what if it wasn't? That's another thing, too. What if it wasn't? What if Google is playing to the entire crowd? What if the whole reason they did the 6 Pro and the 6 price reduction to get people to buy more of the 6 Pro and more of the 6 was because they were going to do something as quirky, which is quirky is part of Google's identity, and give somebody a bone and throw them the Pixel 7 Pro just to bring some more hype to the Pixel 7. Who knows? I mean, I'm just spitballing ideas. Don't take that as gospel. But I'm just saying, if I ran a company, I would do that for fun. I'd be like, yeah, so we just got another 100,000 Pixel 6 Pro orders. One lucky person is going to end up with a Pixel 7 Pro. And I would do that, if I ran things. But that's just me. But what say you about all these leaked stuff? You guys for it, against it? Let me know in the comment section of the video. Let me know if you guys are getting the Pixel 6a. Until then, thanks for watching these videos. Check out the next one. As always, aloha.